So the properties are, for example, A plus B equal to C. A plus B equal to C, which implies that A divided by mod n, B divided by, that is what called modular, is congruently equal to C modular n. C modular n. Or this one also you can write as A plus B mod n is congruently equal to C modular n. Similarly, you can define with multiplication, subtraction also. And also you can do the same if it was a exponent, like for example, A is congruently equal to B mod n. Either you can use brackets or without using the brackets also you can write that. Then if you raised the powers up to k times, that means A power k is congruently equal to B power k mod n. E power k mod n. Okay. So these are basic arithmetic properties, modular properties. Okay. Just if it was in multiplication also, we will do the same. It was multiplication, addition, subtraction, and if also if it was okay. Next, these are the basic concepts. Next, after arithmetic, modular arithmetic, the next topic we are going to discuss is alligation or mixture. Alligation or mixture. In alligation and mixture, first, what is alligation? Alligation means mixing two or more items, in some ratio, in some ratio. That is the meaning of alligation. Okay. So here we will discuss two types of problems we often see in this topic, under this topic. Type 1. So type 1 is, see, some cheaper items will be there. C means cheaper item. Cheaper item. Okay. And on the other hand, we have dearer item. Dearer item is mentioned with D. Dearer item. Okay. So what we are doing is, in some ratio, we will create a mean price. Mean price we are creating to cover the all categories of the society. So the mean price often denoted with M. And this will be subtracted from this. Then what you will get, mean price is more than this C, cheaper price. So you have to write M minus C. Okay. And from this side, what you have to write is dearer price is more than this mean price. So you should write D minus M. So therefore, we have a relation from this. What you have to write is D divided by C divided by D minus M is equal to this one. This one divided by this one is equal to what you can write? C divided by D minus M is equal to D divided by M minus C. M minus C. Okay. So this is the formula often we can use to calculate the mean price. Okay, how to use this formula later we will see in the problem, discussion of the problem. Next one is type 2 questions. Type 2 questions are next type 2 problems. Type 2 problems, this type is called repeated dilution problems. Repeated dilution. Repeated dilution type of problems. And this formula we are using to calculate pure quantity of a liquid. It will be used, it will be used to calculate pure quantity, pure quantity of pure quantity of a liquid of a pure quantity of a liquid after n times of or n number of repeated dilutions. For the dilution purpose, either you can use water or some other liquids. N number of dilutions. N number of dilutions. Suppose a vessel contain X units of liquid. X is equal to liquid quantity. Initially, the liquid quantity is X. And which Y units are taken out. Y will be taken out. Quantity of liquid. Y means quantity of liquid which was taken out from the vessel, and the vessel contains initially X liters of that liquid. A vessel contains X liters of liquid. What we are doing? Y liters of liquid taken out. Actually, X and Y representing same liquid. X means initially the quantity of the liquid. Y value is what we are taking out every time. That is Y. Okay. And taken out. How many times it was happened? And what we are doing is we are diluting every time. We are diluting how much you are taking outside of the liquid, original liquid, and you are replacing the same quantity of liquid, some other liquid like water. With water, you are replacing the quantity of the liquid in the vessel. Okay. It was repeated n number of times. Repeated n number of times. Then after n number of repeated dilutions, that means you are diluting with other liquid, right? So the quantity of pure liquid is the quantity of pure liquid, quantity of pure liquid, quantity of pure liquid is x of 1 minus y by x whole power n. Remember this for still water. Boat speed in still water. Y means stream, speed of the stream. Speed of stream. X means boat speed in still water. Okay. X means actually the speed of the boat, not included water speed or stream speed. Y means stream speed. Look at this. This is a boat, suppose. The boat speed will be X, boat speed X. And water flow, the stream speed will be Y. If water is flowing from left to right direction, if boat is moving also from left to right direction, then boat speed will be x plus y. Am I right? Or in other case, boat is boat is moving from right to left. Boat is moving from right to left, and the stream is flowing from left to right. That is, both are quite opposite. Then boat speed will be x minus y. Boat speed will be more than the stream speed. Then only it can move forward. Otherwise, uh, it will be going with the water. If it was uh, speed, it has a less value. Okay, understood this situation. Next. So x and y you understood. Next, time taken for downstream is t1. T1 means time taken for downstream. Time taken for downstream. And T2 will be T2 will be time taken for upstream. Time taken for upstream. Downstream speed be u. Downstream speed be u. Downstream speed will be u. And upstream speed will be v. Upstream speed will be v. Okay then. Therefore, then we have the following formulas. Understood all these values? X means boat speed in still water. Y means speed of the stream. T1 is downstream time. T2 is upstream time. What is downstream means? The boat is moving in the same direction of the water flow. That is called downstream. Upstream means reverse order. The boat is moving in the reverse direction of the water flow. That is upstream. U means downstream speed. That means both x plus y is called U. X minus y is called upstream speed V. Okay. And now write down the formulas. First formula, U is equal to x plus y and V is equal to, just we talked about this. V is equal to x minus y. Okay. Now speed of the boat in still water. Speed of boat in still water is u plus v by 2. That is what x, right? And speed of the stream, if you want, speed of stream, then it will be x u minus v by 2, which is equal to y. Which is equal to y. When the distance covered when the distance covered by the boat downstream, when the distance covered by boat, when the distance covered by the boat in downstream is same as distance covered by the boat upstream. That means upstream speed equal to downstream speed. Then we have the following relation. So T2 by T1 is equal to x plus y by x minus y. X plus y by x minus y. Okay. Next, fourth point. Suppose boat can row at a speed of x kilometers. Still water speed is y kilometers. The boat goes d kilometers downstream in t1 hours and covers the same distance d kilometer upstream in t2 hours. Then the average downstream into upstream speed divided by speed still water is equal to x square minus y square, x square minus y square by x. Okay. Next, fifth point. A boat take t hours to row to certain place d kilometers apart and return back. Then the distance between two places d is equal to t of x square minus y square by 2x. Sixth point. If a boat takes t hours more in going upstream than downstream for covering the same distance d, then the distance between two places is d is equal to t of x square minus y square by 2y. Remember, two formulas looking like same. What is the difference between 5 and 6 points? Fifth point is boat takes t hours to row to a certain place d kilometers apart and return back. Then the distance will be. So that means boat will go certain distance d at a some time t. Okay. And it is not mentioned that downstream speed is more than downstream time is more than upstream time or something. He is not saying anything. Then the distance between of them, you can use this formula. But in the sixth point, the boat takes t hours more in going upstream than downstream. If he said like this, then the covering distance d will be same for both cases, downstream and upstream cases. Then the distance will be calculated by this formula. Okay, understood? So these are the formulas we are generally using in the boats and streams. Next concept is pipes and cisterns. Pipes and cisterns. So generally